If you have locks, then I'm sure you can relate that lint is our worst enemy. Lint is like the unexpected roommate who never leaves. It is almost always somehow in your locks. Like once it's stuck on your locks, it's saying, I choose you forever. So if you have starter locks right now, or you're even in the militant state of your lock journey, nobody is safe. Lint is coming for all of us. I am convinced that lint has little hands because the way it grabs onto your locks like it pays rent is crazy. Just stay with me until the end. I'm going to tell you the truth about lint that people don't like to admit. First things first, lint is not dirt. It is not a reflection of how clean you are. Lint is literally like tiny fibers floating around like escapees from prison. For some reason, locks attract lint like how magnet attracts metal. The reason for this is because locks are sponge-like and textured, so you know that once the lint grabs onto it, it's like, hey, I live here now. So please, please, please release yourself from shame. It's natural, it's universal. Lint and locks to me go hand in hand. Sometimes it feels like it's virtually impossible to be fully lint-free. Like I want someone who has locks to comment and tell me that they don't have any lint in their locks, like their locks is completely lint-free. But tell me though, because I want tips. I'm still struggling with this myself. Get that out of your mind. You're not dirty, you're just locked. Not remembering to wrap your hair up at night, existing. We have cotton clothes, pillowcases, car seats, towels, sticky products, and certain products that you use to retwist your hair. Let's talk about what actually works. And these are things that people swear by, but it's actually not giving what it needs to give. The first thing I see people doing is picking lint out using a needle, and this is horrible because you can actually create holes. Wow, back again with the fly. You can actually create holes and damage your lock shaft in the long run. I wouldn't recommend. Using a needle to like pick out the lint in your locks can even cause frizz that sometimes doesn't even smooth back down or smooth back out. End up causing your locks to be all frizzy and filled with tiny holes, just making your locks weak. That method, like the needle to try to dig through your locks in attempts of rooting out the lint, sometimes does more harm than good, especially if you don't know what you're doing, because we have professionals that actually you can pay to have lint removed if it's that bad, if it's possible. Other method is using a clarifying shampoo to wash your hair and then get rid of the lint that way. The thing about lint is because it's like a tiny fiber, it does not dissolve in water. You can't wash it away. Like you can't wash lint out of your hair. It's impossible. Maybe lint that's on the surface, but even then I feel like something about the water causes the lint to be embedded even deeper into your hair. The water makes the lint and your locks merge together when you wash it, so washing it does not help. I feel like washing it makes it worse. The third method, and this is the method that I currently use, is what's working for me right now, and is to just camouflage it. I dye my hair black. Dye your hair any other color as long as it gets rid of the appearance of your locks with the lint in it, because once it's deeply embedded in your hair, there's not really much you can do. Coloring it is just like a good alternative, and I know it's not like a permanent fix, like a temporary solution. It works with you not having to actually see the lint in your locks, because remember, it's not dirt, it's like a tiny fiber, so covering it is the most effective in my opinion. But honestly, dyeing your hair, I think it's the least abrasive way of covering the lint without damaging the structure of your locks, because at the end of the day, the health of your locks is important, right? So then the best solution to that, since it basically is so hard to get out when it merges with your locks, is to just color it. And I don't know if I'll be coloring my hair for life just to stay on top of lint, most likely, but that's the only thing I can think of right now. There are some realistic solutions, and the truth is prevention is better than cure when it comes to this situation. Just give up on the lint that's already there, forget about it, slap some color on it and call it a day. But moving forward, here are some things you'll do just to prevent further lint buildup. So if you have locks, do not be afraid to brush your hair. Not so sure about people in the starter lock. You already have mature locks. You should have a soft bristle brush. The one I have is this one. I just use this little brush and go through my hair just like this. Any lint sitting at the top gets brushed off. And then brushing your hair also have different benefits, like it distributes oil throughout the length of your lock. It makes your hair look neater, smoother. It controls frizz. Brushing your locks just feel therapeutic overall, so I enjoy doing it and it has benefits. The other solution is lint rollers. I haven't tried this as yet, but I've been interested in that. Try to get lint off of your clothes before putting it on. You can use the lint roller in car seats before you sit down, use it on your pillow or on your bed before you go to sleep. And I want to know if anyone else is struggling with lint though. Like, are you guys having lint problems? I usually would have it at the back here. I'm giving you a close up. This is my lint. The other thing, before your locks decide to adopt a fiber into the family, get yourself a bonnet, get yourself a satin pillowcase. Like, cotton is our worst enemy. I should try to purchase a satin bonnet, but I'm not there yet. In fact, my bonnet needs to be upgraded because it's this wanky old thing. It's dirty, it's old. Oh, I need a bonnet. I really do. But next time I get a new one, I'll try to get a satin bonnet. Another daily practice is just keeping your locks up, like up off of yourself. The other thing is to get lint professionally removed, and I'm telling you, no, that costs an arm and leg. That cost a vacation package to Cuba. Like, it's expensive. Maybe not that expensive, but I know it's pricey. All right, like sell your organ pricey. Maybe not that pricey, but it's pricey. The true tool to use at this point is just prevention and then acceptance of the lint that's already there, and just move forward knowing that, okay, I'll do these things just not get more buildup. I don't really get a lot of it right now, but you know, I color it, so it doesn't even matter to me if I'm big. Please tell me about your lint experience. Did you crash out? Did you try to pick it out yourself? Like, do you have severe lock buildup right now? Did you color your hair in attempts to cover lint buildup? Like, what's the solution? Like, actually, don't forget to like this video, please, because it helps me in a huge way. Okay, like, YouTube loves when you click the like button. It pushes the videos, and you guys did so amazing with the last video. I am so grateful for everyone who recently subscribed. I am so grateful for this community. It honestly gives me purpose because, you know, life. And yes, I filmed this video on 2 separate days because my 9-to-5 does not want me to be great and I'm a toddler mom. But thank you so much for tuning into this video. It means the world to me. I love every single comment. I reply to every single comment because it literally makes my day. And you know what, guys? I'll catch you again in the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by.